Okay, so we've had a bit of a look at purpose of text, and one of the questions that always sort of comes up in these lessons is, well, what happens if a text is a little bit instructive and a little bit informative, or a little bit persuasive and a little bit descriptive? How do you figure out the main purpose of the text? So I've got an example here for you, and this is from a advert for a house. So if we actually have a look at some of the text here, we've got a pretty Grade 2 listed cottage set in the desirable village of Ickham. That's our first sentence here. That word there, that's quite a descriptive word there, pretty, isn't it? And it seems to be giving us quite a good description of the building itself. I mean, it's saying where it is, so it's giving us information as well. So it's describing the house, it's giving us information, and it's also persuading us. And we're going to work out how we figure that out now. And the first thing to look at really is contextual clues. And it's a bit of a giveaway here, obviously, because they've got the guide price up. And we've got that for sale thing. So we're immediately thinking, okay, so they're probably going to try and persuade us of something. And if we actually look at some of the descriptions here, they're all positive. So we've got lovely walks here, and picturesque, which is another word for beautiful. And all the information it's giving us is basically trying to push it as a property to buy. It's telling us what it's near, where the amenities are, and again we've got a good selection of local shops and amenities. Everything seems to be geared towards painting this house in a good light, so we're thinking here that it's probably a persuasive text. It's got elements of description, it's got elements of informative text as well, but overall it's going to be a persuasive text because it's all geared, when you look at the text as a whole, it's trying to sell us this house.